road tripping. Picked up a hit. Well, it's Monday, January 30th, here in the truck. I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who's been watching the videos. Thanks for sticking around and watching us rebuild the trailer and make some upgrades on the truck. Trailer's about wrapped up. I think we're going to go get it Saturday and bring it back here to the store. Sorry for the camera malfunction last week. We did get this done. I was out running around trying to find some clips, and Daryn figured out a way to get them up there and to keep them up there. So he did that while I was out running around gathering stuff. Somehow the camera got turned on time lapse, but that looks real good. Daryn's real happy with it. I'm going to get all this crown molding ripped down, take the old lights out, get the new lights stuck up there, and do the same on this side. Fun times being a carpenter and electrician. Taking this baseboard trim down is being a little more challenging than I thought. But we got to take all them screws out and take the old lights down. That's why the baseboard had to come down. If not, it was dark spots because it would slide underneath that old stuff. Fun times. Well, that side's stripped down. Got these wired up. Trying to get these little bitty wires together in a shrink wrap connector that's soldered. It's a bit of a pain in the butt. If you like what you're seeing, now would be a good time to hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. Time to hang. Doug's out here doing something. You get the top done?
Yes, sir. Cleaning up my mess on the side.
Top looks different than the bottom.
Huh? It's just got all that needs buff now. I took everything off of it.
Yeah.
It needs the, you know, the buffing, the wax now.
Yes, that's going to be.
The haze off of it. I put in it on that. I think it's the oxidation, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, this side's been completely wiped down. All the black streaks are gone. And we did the back on Saturday.
Black streaks.
Yes. Well, all the upper lights have been changed to LED. Looks a lot better than that old yellow stuff. Then you turn that one on and it really gets bright in here. And we can have a disco party in here if we wanted. All kinds of light.
Jason.
Monday night. Got progress going on. We got sheeting this Smasher dyno cabinet. Done all the way around to here. And then we got Ogre out here putting the tune on the trailer. Look at that fucking torque wrench. It's definitely drywall.
When you forget the outlet is behind the sheet.
Man, we gotta be getting close.
So Daryn, explain to the viewers, wouldn't you cut that out before you put the panel up?
That's typically what any normal person would do, especially for that reason.
And you didn't even cut it out right.
Well, the good news is we'll be able to move it, I hope.
Oh boy, stay tuned for the next one.
Ain't nothing but a thing. Back in there, baby! Looking good, looking good. This gets redone. We need the right box extension, but that'll turn out good. Also need a different outlet for that. Well, and you still need to weld in the plate here, and then I'll make a cap and a return to finish that all off. That panel I got, just need to bend it up. It's gonna look pretty freaking sweet. Got a good football game going on right here. And I think he's all done with the trailer tune-up. We're gonna leave them off to polish. And he's about got this door all figured out. Hopefully he's coming back tomorrow night, New Year's Eve, to finish it up. I'll hold my breath. Well guys, that's a wrap. The back door is shut. That's all for my shop. We got it all buttoned up today, the day after New Year's. I was off today, got to work the weekend. Got that all trimmed out, ready for the barrel. Jason will have to polish that panel, and then get this door put together. And just notice he's got one more panel to polish right there. So we'll have all that. A lot of silicone in, a lot of little trim works. Need a trim there. We're putting one here, running up the wall. So still a lot of little knick-knack stuff to do, but make the door and the door frame. Trim there. Silicone. Just a lot of little knick-knack stuff to do, but gonna be really happy to have it out of my shop and get going on the cars. One more door to make. Oh, make sure I latch this. But nope. Like I said, happy to have it gone. Happy them guys can get going on it. I believe they're gonna carpet this rear end cabinet, the interior of it. And then I believe they're gonna carpet the inside of this shock one and fix that kind of up. So that'll pretty up the inside of them cabinets. But all right guys, well, have a good one. Hopefully we'll have more content on the cars here moving forward, and them guys will get started on the truck and little knick-knack stuff in here. So, all right.
Well, it's Friday afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock. Preparing for snow apocalypse coming tomorrow night. They switched our work schedules around because we figured we were going to be off on Monday, so we're working tomorrow. Our plan was to come get the trailer tomorrow, so we come this afternoon to get it. Daryn's weekend to work, so he's going to get the skid steer and take it to the store. Getting ready to head out, roll back to Fairview. Road tripping. Picked up a hitchhiker on the way.
Beadlock Billy.
Don't know who this guy is. We ain't seen him in fucking 3 months. He's been MIA. Daryn didn't lock the... Well, we've got 2 compartment doors open.
What?
The front fuel door's open too. Jesus. Quick pit stop. And we're back on the road. Fairview bound. Well, we're in. Trailer's back.
What? Alright, something about some stuff.
We need to get this one sold.
Like this
Somebody
is
come
drain
buy
out.
it. Needs a hole drilled in it, probably.
Let's see. I'm not doubting you. I'm just trying to, if it don't drain, how to get in it. That's what I was thinking.
I don't know why you worry about the things that you don't need to worry about.
Your son is here.
Very much. What is it?
You didn't put the center caps back on?
Oh, he's got to polish the wheels. Why would I? He's going to have to take it back off. All are on. Takes a second.
Yeah.
We'll lag up in that bit.
That's going to be nice again.
I wonder if that you ought to try that before you do the headlights in that kit.
Turn that off a second. It's embezzled. Can't tell if they come off.
You already looked at that. You said.
No, I looked at it, but I said I think they come off.
You're gonna get to use your fancy lighting.
And when he said get rid of it, I don't know why you keeping it. And I said, well, you never.
Now we got a light when we don't got a light.
That's right.
You got aggressive going on the back door?
I don't know what dress is going on. More than likely.
Watching the ads, Jason.
Well, it's Saturday. Preparing for some. Good God!
Oh yeah, that's why we look. Once
You got the new door gasket on. It needs to be smashed a little bit.
Yeah, you won't get it.
Okay. She's tight.
She'll wear it. Yeah, I think the best thing. Or should.
Well, you can see the line. Doug is going to town on cleaning it, getting all the black streaks and mess off of it. A lot of trailer to wipe down and then buff. Got the new chain covers on, the short ones. Darren put the long ones on at his house. Can just barely get the lift gate up in here, but it's not long enough to load the car in here. Still got a lot of work to do, even though 90% of the inside is done. About 5% of the outside's done.
Let me clean that strip.
Well, Doug's got half of this side done. Gonna bring the lift over to get it upper part of it. I don't know if it shows up on camera or not, but I polished from here to here just as a test, and it looks a lot better. It's gonna shine up quite nice. Long road of polishing all the white. Not looking forward to that at all. Well, probably about 3 miles from the shop, and it is flat coming down now. No sleet, all snow. Roads ain't been too bad. Not a lot of traffic. Gonna get worse probably. I don't know if you can see the difference on camera. This panel's been done, this panel's not. In person, you can definitely see the difference. Like from here to here, I got to hand do this because the buffer won't get in there, but using some P4 Perfect Polish from Chemical Guys seems to be doing the trick, making her shine up and the white brighter. Long way to go and a lot of man hours. taking volunteers to polish. First 3 panels of the truck are done. If you stand back here, you can definitely see a difference. The ones I did are a lot brighter. Doug is scrubbing in the back door. You can see a difference. You don't realize how big these things are till you stand beside them and look at all the polishing you got to do and clean them. It's been several years since this thing's been done like this. But once we get it done, it's a lot easier to keep up on. Well, progress is being made. Top half is almost done. Not a lot entertaining stuff to video. Doug is scrubbing the back. Darren's loading the bolt bin. We're making progress. I can hear it sleeping like a son of a gun on the metal roof here in the building. Let's see what the winter apocalypse is doing. That's nothing but sleet coming down. It's gonna be a nice ride home. Can't even really tell Daryn cleaned the parking lot now. Well, from the green line up is done.
Is this for your carburetor changes?
Yes.
That don't go in there.
Darren's going to the pit box. Doug got all these cleaned up. It's them looking nice.
Are you going to drop the video at 9 a.m. when everybody's working and can't watch it, or are you going to drop it at 5:30?
I might drop it tonight if I get home and get it done in time.
Perfect, 5:30.
Everybody's snowed in and nothing to do.
That's perfect day before.
Well, road conditions drastically suck. Been in turtle mode about 40 mile an hour on the interstate. But I'm almost home. Hope y'all are staying safe riding out the winter apocalypse here if you're in the Midwest. They're saying we're supposed to get heavy snow and starting in the next hour or two. It's going to snow all night. See what we end up with. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Darren's race car in the lower right hand corner. We'll catch you all back later this week.